Today's topic is about mensuration, and the paper I have selected is paper 4, 0580 slash 42 is the reference, and this is taken from February March 2022. So, this is a 6 marks question. That means a lot of working should be there for the examiner to give you marks. Now, it says the volume of a paper cone is 2.4 centimeter, is 95.4. Radius is 2.4, which is given, and volume is also given, and the formula of volume is also given. So it says the paper is cut along the slant height from O to make AB. The cone is open to form a sector OAB of a circle with center O. You need to find out the angle X, which is being asked over here, this one. Now, first of all, we know the formula of a cone is V equals 1 over 3 pi r square h. So the unknown value of this triangle is this one. This is the value we need to find out, height. So after putting the values, which is volume is already given, this is why we will write here 1 over 3 pi, and radius is how much? 2.4 square and h. And once we do all this calculation in the calculator, height is going to be 15.8. So the height of this cone is 15 point. Great. Now we need to find out this length that we are talking about. This length from here to here. This length to find out. So what will we use? We'll use Pythagoras theorem. Consider this as a triangle, a right angle triangle, something like this. Okay, I'll flip it. Something like this, in which this is 24 and this is 15.8. And we need to find out the hypotenuse of it. That means hypotenuse square is going to be equals to under root 15 point square plus 2.4 also square. So in the final, what will you get is x equals to, actually instead of x I should use L. It's going to be 15.99. So two things are ready for us to use. Height is 15.8, and the slant length, which is some this one is the slant length or slant height, I must say. Okay, so this triangle is solved. Now comes another formula, which is circumference of a circle. What is the formula for circumference of a circle? Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. 2 pi and r, which is 2.5. So this is something you should understand, this equation too. Now comes the tricky part. Tricky part is that you know very, very well, when part of a circle is there, that means it's going to be x over 360, because we don't know how much is that angle, and then multiply by 2 pi r. 2 pi r is how much? 15.99 is equals to 4.8 pi. Now, once we do all these calculations, you will get the value of x, which is going to be 54.00. And part of this question is about an empty fuel tank is filled using a cylindrical pipe with a diameter 8. Diameter 8 means the radius is going to be 4. So this cylindrical pipe is going to look like something like this. And something like this. And the length of this cylindrical pipe is given as 2 meters, but I will be converting this into centimeters, so 200 centimeters. Why? Because the volume is to be taken in cubic centimeters, and this length is also given in centimeters, so this is why. So the radius is going to be 4. So keep this in mind. First of all, we'll find out the volume of the cylinder, how much is the volume, and volume is going to be pi r square h. This is the formula, and we'll keep this one radius as 4 square pi r square h, and the height or the length of this pipe is in centimeters, so we write 200. So the final answer is going to be 3200 pi. I'm keeping this pi for a reason for now. Later we'll convert this into the value. Now we need to find out uh, fuel flow along this pipe at the rate of 2 meters per second. It takes 24 minutes to fill. So this value has to be multiplied by 24, right? So 3200 times 24. And what else we need to multiply with? We need to multiply this with 24 minutes, right? So minutes are going to be converted into seconds. So this is why it's going to be multiplied by 60. So volume of water in 24 minutes is going to be 3200 times 24 times 60 is going to give us a huge number, big number in calculator. 14476,548.95 cubic centimeter. This was the reason why I converted this into centimeters. Get it? Now we need to convert into liters, because the answer they need in liters. So divide the whole thing by 1000. So it's going to give you 4476 14476.45, and this is going to be because the answer has to be given in liters, so I am going to convert this into this value. This is going to be your liters. Thank you very much for watching this session, and I make these videos very short because I'll be creating more videos with the short length, so that everyone uh, can have a look at their own pace of time. Thank you very much for watching.